this video, I will show you how to create smoking habit survey. First, you need to click add-on, coffee form, and then load from template. You can search smoking habit survey. After you found it, just click load selected template. Now you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. Just refresh the page, and then click coffee form and get link, and then just click continue here, and then choose your account, click advance, and then go to coffee form, and just click allow here, and you will get a link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine, and now the form is ready to use. You can also custom your questions or anything in the form. For example, here I want to insert a new row in the form, and I use text and just copy the question text and change the questions into name like this, and then go to your form and it will show like this. Or maybe you can change the type into date. Don't forget to change the text too into date like this, and it will show like this, so the audience can pick easily the date from the calendar. Or you can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly like this. And go to settings to change the background color of your form here. Pick any color that you want, and it will change easily. Also, you can change the style of your title here. For example, I'll delete the mark behavior here. Just follow the step, and now the title is stock. Thank you.